Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about what is a query in SQLite. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. A database query gives you a way of saying exactly which records you want access to from the database. As an example, you can say you want to access all the data from the drink table or just those drinks whose name begins with L. The more you can restrict the data you return, the more efficient your query will be. So let's get started. First, specify the table and columns. The first thing to specify in your query is which table you want to get records from and which columns you need. Here we are returning the data from the name and description columns in the drink table. Second, declare any conditions that restrict your selection. Once you have said what columns you want, you can filter your data by declaring any conditions the data must meet. In our app, for example, you want to retrieve the data the user selected, and we can do this by only returning records where the drink_id has a particular value. Here we return data where _id is 1. Third, other stuff you can use queries for. If you expect your query to return several rows of data, you might find it useful to say what order you want the records to be in. As an example, you might want to order the drink records in drink name order. You can also use queries to group the data in some way and apply aggregate functions to it. As an example, you might want to return a count of how many drinks there are and display it in your app. So how do you create a query? We'll see that in the next video. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.